Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drum baffle in a Whirlpool dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a 1/4-inch nut driver, and homemade holding strap. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drum baffle. The drum baffle is mounted on the inside of the drum. Baffles pedal the clothing inside the drum, allowing it to fluff. If the bulk items are often dried in a dryer, then one or even both baffles might have broken off. In that case, it should be replaced. Open the lint screen door and pull out the lint screen. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take 2 screws out from under the lint door. Make sure they're not going to go inside the lint chute. Use some kind of a homemade device to support the top when it's open. In my case, I'm going to tape it to the surface because there's no hole on the top. Press your knee against the front panel, grab the top panel with both hands by its sides, and pull it forward to unlock from the plastic clips. Hook up the strap. Turn the drum from inside so the baffle is at the top. And using the 1/4-inch nut driver, take out 3 screws that holds the old baffle. This is the old drum baffle next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Bring the new baffle into the drum and match the mounting holes. And secure it to the drum with 3 1/4-inch screws. 2 little tips. Number 1, don't let any screws to go down under the drum. And then you're going to be facing disassembly. And the second one, do not over tighten the screws. Close the door. All right, now we can remove the holding strap and close the top. Push it down till it locks. Then I'm going to remove that duct tape. Secure the top to the lint chute with 2 Phillips screws. Insert the lint screen in and close the lint door. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.